Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Cave episode 2. Before getting into the news, let's see how the crypto market performed last week. By seeing the chart, we can say that most coins are in red zone and Polkadot coin, which was in 8th position earlier, came down to 9th position. As it's Christmas month, investors are anticipating a bull run in the market. A plot of virtual land on Axie Infinity was sold at $2.5 million. Axie Infinity is a pet training game on Metaverse. Genesis Land, a type of land in the game, was sold for 550 Ethereum coins. Looking at these figures, we can only imagine how big Metaverse is going to get. Adidas partners with Coinbase and plans to build Adiverse, a sandbox game in Metaverse. Adidas already holds a virtual land in that game. What if I told you that there is a national stock exchange that allows you to legally trade NFTs? Switzerland's Crypto Trading Avenue (SDX) SIX digital exchange is considering to make this happen after a long wait for licenses from the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority. Russians carry out $5 billion worth cryptocurrency transactions in a year. Russia and Canada are the only two countries in the world that entirely support the cryptocurrency market. A Bitcoin ETF offering monthly yields for investments has been listed in Canada today. This ETF was live on Toronto Stock Exchange with ticker symbol BTCY.B. Purpose Investments employs a derivatives-based cover called Strategy to pay investors an expected 8 to 10% of returns. CoinSwitch Kuber says crypto adoption rate in India has increased, and one of the major reasons for this could be increased awareness due to research by people during the pandemic. Look at the picture to know more about it. According to The Times, the English Premier League, UK's top soccer league, is considering partnership with cryptocurrency platform called sportsbet.io, which provides NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens. Payments giant Square is changing its name to Block as it's deeply rooted and functions mainly on blockchain technology. Jack Dorsey, who recently stepped down as the CEO of Twitter, is also the CEO of Square and its subsidiary companies like Tidal, a music platform. Metaverse, formerly known as Facebook, relaxes its crypto ad policies and adds 24 new crypto ad policies, which makes it easy for crypto exchanges and crypto industry related firms to promote themselves on the platform. We now have a better idea about the crypto regulations in India. Government wants to keep a close watch on how crypto exchanges run their ads. Government has also mentioned that it does not want to ban crypto and wants to take the help from SEBI to form a regulative framework about cryptocurrency. Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani says that blockchain will reinvent sectors from financial services, manufacturing industry, and agriculture. We also want you to know that this video is only for sharing facts about the crypto industry and we do not make investment advices of any kind. If you enjoyed watching our video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our Instagram page for daily crypto updates. Before leaving, do check out the meme video that we have lined up for you.